Hi friends, today we have performed a new experiment, calculation of errors from the given data. We have given us metal wire and this micrometer screw gauge. We can take 10 observations, different observations from different positions of the wire, and we can write the observation table just like this. Here we can take 10 different observations for this experiment, and we have to determine the standard and probable error from the given set of observations. Here given set of observations, we have given the 10 observations here, different diameters of the wire. We can measure 10 different diameters of the wire as shown in the column 1. Then for this measurement, we can measure this diameter is equal to main scale reading plus least count into vernier scale reading. So we get this 10 observation. Then we can take the average mean, adding all these 10 observations and divided by 10, we get the average mean for these observations. Then after, we can calculate the deviation. Delta is equal to xi minus x bar. Here xi is observation number 1 minus the average mean is equal to the deviation delta is equal to xi minus x bar. Then in fourth column, there is square of deviation, delta square is here given or calculated by the student. Then calculation for the standard error for the given set of observation is using the formula standard error is equal to sigma is equal to square root of summation of delta square upon n minus n into n minus 1. So here n is number of observation. Here number of observations are 10 and n minus 1 is 9. So here the 10 into 9, and this summation of delta square means all the sum of this square of deviation is 610 into 10 raised to minus 8. Then we can calculate this is equal to square root of 6.77 into 10 raised to minus 8. Then standard error, we can take the square root of this value, square root of 6.77 into 10 raised to minus 8. We get standard error is equal to 2.601 into 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter. Then we can calculate the probable error. So there is another formula for probable error is equal to plus or minus 0.6745 into standard error. This quantity plus or minus 0.6745 is a natural constant. Then we can calculate this probable error is equal to plus or minus 0.6745 into standard error is equal to 2.601 into 10 raised to minus 4. We get the probable error for this experiment is given in the sheet. So by this method we can calculate the standard error and probable error of the given experiment. Thank you.